In 1968, when the Z24 option was combined with an Impala Supersport, the buyer got an SS427. Only 1,778 of these cars were built, and only about 10% were convertibles. So yes, this is a rare automobile. You would think that such a rare car would be in a museum or in a car collection, but this car is not tucked away. It's driven to local car shows and is a definite weekend cruiser with the top down and the 385 horsepower 427 big block purring. As you can see, Gordy took me for a ride on a beautiful sunny Florida day. This car's performance is definitely on par with its looks. It's flawless. The power plant in this full-size Chevy is a 385 horsepower big block 427. It produces 460 foot-pounds of torque at 3,400 RPMs and is more than capable of moving things along. One of the first things you'll notice when you take this red beauty in is the absence of any Impala badging. It stands apart from its Impala brothers with a special hood with an extractor grille near the cowl, fender louvers, and SS427 badging throughout the exterior as well as the interior of the car. Chevrolet considered these cars family transportation, so there was no skimping on the interior. This car is equipped with code Z03, which meant you got the Strato bucket seats and a console option with floor shifter mated to a turbo 400 transmission. This car is loaded with full instrumentation and an 8-track player for blasting those Beach Boys tunes on a Florida afternoon. Finding this rare gem on eBay brought back a lot of memories for Gordy, as a friend owned one in 1973. Purchased it in Wisconsin, Gordy actually told me how he drove it to Florida. The car has been very well kept, as the quarter panels are the only thing that has been replaced on the SS. Gordy loved showing the car, and we actually met at a local car show as I was drawn in by the straight body panels and the vibrant red paint. Getting to know this car has been a real treat, and I want to thank Gordy Frank for sharing it with me so I can share it with you. Thanks for watching Racers and Rods.